Hello everybody and welcome back to another Geek Panda Tech unboxing video. So today we have the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro, and if that wasn't enough of a mouthful, let's go around and have a look at the box. So on the front we have 10T in this gold kind of lettering on a black box, 108 megapixel ultra clear camera, the Mi logo, Pro 5G, and just a little disclaimer there about 5G on the right hand side. Mi 10T Pro with easy access to the Google apps you use most. I wonder what that's trying to make a reference of. And the same on that side, and not much on the back. On the bottom here we've just got Mi 10T Pro in the cosmic black colour, 8GB of RAM, 256GB of storage, and it just tells you what you get in the box there. So the Pro, the adapter, USB-C cable, Type-C to 3.5mm headphone adapter, SIM ejection tool, soft case, user guide, warranty card, yada yada yada. So let's open the box. There we go. And we're greeted straight away by designed by Xiaomi. Let's pop that open. And there we go, we have the phone straight there. So a couple of specs on the front there: 108 megapixel AI camera, 144 Hz adaptive screen, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, and a 5000 milliamp battery that supports 33 watt fast charging. So let's get the phone out and let's pop it down to one side. Let's have a look at the rest of the accessories. So you have the plug there, which does support 33 watt fast charging, and the charging cable there. So it's interesting to see that it's a Type A on the actual plug, not Type C. I do quite like the little neo kind of orange colour we've got going on there. And I think that's it for the box. No headphones in this one, unfortunately. Now let's open this, and then we have our little SIM tool there, and our adapter, so USB-C to 3.5mm jack, just a nice little cable there. Usual instructions and warranty card. I believe depending where you get this from, you get a 6-month ultimate protection warranty from Xiaomi for like screen replacement and things like that. So you got this nice clear case with the Xiaomi branding on there, with a nice big camera cutout. So let's all pop this to one side and let's have a look at the phone. So let's just take this off. Wow, so we're greeted by this extremely shiny back, and I believe this is a glass back, and this huge camera setup up the top here. So you've got your 108 megapixel sensor there, 13 megapixel ultra wide, and 5 megapixel macro. Wow, that is a real fingerprint magnet on the back there. So let's get the phone booted up. So the phone comes with a pre-installed screen protector on the front. Now straight away, this feels like such a more premium phone than, say, the Oppo Reno Z4 that I've been using as my main phone for a little while now. And just while this is booting up, let's go through a couple of specs. So the phone retails for £599, but at the moment of recording this, it's also on sale for £439 from Xiaomi themselves. It runs Android 10 with MIUI 12 over the top. It has a 5000 milliamp battery that supports 33 watt charging. The screen that you see is 6 inches 0.67 with 144 Hz. The pixels are 2400 by 1080, and that's an FHD screen. Inside we have a Snapdragon 865, which we've already gone over, with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. And the cameras, yes, we've just gone over them. 108 megapixel main sensor, 13 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro, and 20 megapixel front facing camera just there. And the colors that you can have is Cosmic Black, which is this one. You get Lunar Silver and Aurora Blue, which is only available on the Pro model. Now the glass is Gorilla Glass 5, and that's on the back, on the camera lens, and of course on the front. Now I think that pretty much covers all the major specs. Let's just have a look around the phone itself. So we've got our USB-C port there, assuming that's a microphone and speakers. Let's just pop this out. This will be our SIM tray on the bottom. So that supports SIM 1 and SIM 2, so that doesn't say, yep, no support for SD card, unfortunately. But with 256GB of storage, we should be okay. So the design, we've got a nice flat bottom there, rather than rounded. And then it rounds around the corner and rolls into itself. So your power button also is a fingerprint scanner, so no in-screen fingerprint sensor. Volume rockers just there, and on the top you've got an IR blaster, which I do love them including. I'm not sure what that port is for. A microphone port just there, and on the left hand side we have nothing. So I'm gonna go and set this up and I will be right back. And we're back, so let's just have a quick look at the settings. Let's go to display. Have a look at this. So it's on default to 144 Hz. Let's turn dark mode on. Who doesn't like a dark mode? Now brightness is at max, and it does seem like I'd want a little bit more. The Renault 4 has an extremely bright screen. Day-to-day use, I normally have it really low. I've gone for the second setup of app overlay, which kind of cuts out all the square blocks around the apps. And let's just try out the camera. So we've got the trusty plant, which has grown a couple of extra bits, I think. So standard mode. ×2. And ultra wide. Getting my lollipops in the back there. And let's also have a little bit of video for you. Let's just move that focus in. Or not. So as I'm tapping, it's kind of, there we go. And has this got a night mode? There we go. Let's give that a go. Let's turn the lights off. So that's already, as you can see from the recording from the screen, that's already lit it up phenomenally well. Of course, we're not pitch black here, but and there we go. So that's the Xiaomi 10T Pro. You can really tell the 144 Hz refresh just scrolling through that menu. Then it's rather phenomenal. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for joining me. I hope you're all staying very safe at the moment with all the world's current events. A sub to the channel would be brilliant to help you stay connected to the latest tech. If you haven't watched our last video, we are currently giving away this pair of Bang & Olufsen headphones. If you'd like to get involved in that, the details will be down below. So, yeah, thank you very much. Have a great day. Take care, and I will catch you in the next one.